देवी और सज्जनों, कैसे हो आप लोग? देखो, आज मैं आपसे एक छोटी सी बात करना चाहता हूं। 14 साल मैं हिंदी पढ़ा, कॉलेज में भी पढ़ा और स्कूल में भी पढ़ा, पर आज तक बात करने में मुझे बहुत सारा दिक्कत था और मेरी हिंदी बहुत घटिया थी। पर 3-4 हफ्तों में मेरा हिंदी थोड़ी सी इंप्रूव होगी, एक्चुअली थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा इंप्रूवमेंट हो गई। अभी तक परफेक्ट नहीं है, बहुत सारे शब्दों का मुझे इस इंग्लिश में बात करना पड़ता है, पर थोड़ी सी इंप्रूवमेंट हो गई है। तो आज मैं now I'm going to talk in English. Today I'm going to show you how I was 3 or 4 weeks ago, and I'm going to show you how I am today, and I'm going to tell you the secret and tell you what process I used. Even though I studied Hindi via a book for many years, I did not get to where I am today. Everything changed in 3 weeks. I'm going to tell you exactly how. But first, watch the old video.
20 वर्ष के बाद हम सब हमारे माता पिता से हम हमारे माता पिता को छोड़ के बाहर जाते हैं.
See, I had a very unique problem, which I'm sure you guys also have when it comes to English. You can watch an English movie and you can understand it. You know exactly what is being said. But the problem arises when you have to speak. When you have to speak in English, you mix up certain words. You mix up the they and their. You mix up want, won't. You mix up random words, right? Like for me in Hindi, the biggest struggle was striling and pulling, right? I did not know where to use ka and where to use ki. It only comes via practice, believe it or not. So in this video, I'm actually going to teach you the techniques that I used to make my spoken Hindi better, that you can use to make your spoken English better. It's the same philosophy for both sides. Ready? Here goes. So the first technique or the first tip, and there is no way out of this, is that you have to start speaking every single day. Speaking, not listening. See, I've watched a lot of Hindi news shows. I've written Hindi exams. In fact, my written Hindi is very good. But speaking was always a challenge. So I had to practice speaking. I went to different people and I said, I'm only going to speak to you in Hindi. And it was embarrassing, but you know, I still managed to embarrass myself enough for me to make better statements in Hindi. The second tip is you have to convince the people around you to speak to you in Hindi. Preferably, you should hang out with people who are better at Hindi than you, or English in this case than you. And you should tell them to speak to you only in English and to correct you wherever you make a mistake. In my case, in fact, very recently I went to my mother-in-law's house and I told her, please only speak to me in Hindi. And if I make a mistake while speaking Hindi, please correct me. So when you're around people that can speak to you in a particular language and correct you when you make your mistake, you have an instant feedback loop. What you guys are missing when it comes to speaking English fluently, you lack a feedback loop. There is no one to slap you and say, no, this is the right word, right? Abhinav Arora, when he first came to Avalon many years ago, he used to still say hair instead of here, right? Maybe it's a Delhi slang that he picked up. And no one else had the courage to correct him, right? Because obviously you don't want to correct somebody in front of them. But I actually told him, boss, it's not here, it's here. And that instant feedback, even till today, he says the right word. He still says here. So you need that instant feedback and you need somebody with the courage to give you that feedback. So you should give it to them. You should tell them, boss, whenever I make a mistake, please correct me. If I say they wrong, you correct me. Okay? If I say hair wrong, you please correct me and tell me this is the right word. The last thing is do not be afraid to embarrass yourself. See, I saw this on our app, Avalon Scenes. So we have an app called Scenes by Avalon, right? On the Play Store and App Store. And I saw this situation where once there was a kid that came on and he wanted to speak in English and he said, "Nahi, main Hindi mein hi baat karunga." And I said, "Why? You can also speak in English." And he said, "No, I'm embarrassed. I'm scared what would people think if I say the wrong word. If you have embarrassment, you will never learn. You will never go beyond that fear. And for me, I have embarrassed myself on public camera. I was on a YouTube video with like thousands of views where I embarrassed myself, right? So you should be okay with embarrassing yourself with like 3 or 4 close people who will help you do better in life and will help correct you. So don't be afraid of embarrassment. It is part of the process. It is not something you need to avoid. It's not you have to sit closed in a room, learn Hindi or learn English and then come out and impress everyone with your English. In fact, it's the opposite. You cannot sit in isolation and do it. You have to go to people and tell them, please correct me. And whenever you get corrected, obviously it's going to be embarrassing for you. It is part of the game. Get used to it. It is the only way to become perfect at anything in the world. All right, that's it for me. If you have any friends who want to learn the English language, who want to perfect speaking in English, please ask them to watch this video. And meanwhile, please like, share, subscribe, because I'm going to keep putting up some awesome content every week for you. Awesome. Bye.